Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. In any billing system, we have basically two major kinds of billing methods. One is called direct bill, the second one is called agency billing. So let's see what do you mean by direct billing. When it comes to direct billing, the insurance company works directly with the customers. So if you see these bullet points, step one is the insurance company bills the customer insured, and the insured pays the gross payment to the insurer. For those who are new to this concept, the gross payment is nothing but the total payment in the invoice. Say if the invoice has commission or if the invoice has the overall installment charges, the gross payments includes the entire payment amount, including the commission. And in turn, what happens once the insurer or insurance company gets the total gross payment from the customer, they pay the commission back to the agent based on the agreed upon commission amount percentage. So if you see this example, assume that I have an invoice of $1,100. That's a gross amount, out of which the commission is 110, which means if you subtract 1,100 from 110, the remaining is 100. That's called net amount that the insurer owns. So if you take direct billing, the insurance company bills 1,100 to the customer directly because that's the total gross amount. And in turn, customer pays the gross amount back to the insurance company, which is 1,100. Now, the insurer pays the commission amount, which is just $110 to the agent. So if you see this process, it's very clear that the insurance company directly works with customer to collect the payment and then remits the commission amount back to the agent. Now, let's see what is meant by agency billing. In terms of agency billing, the insurance company works directly only with the agents, that's the brokers. And the brokers in turn works with the customers to collect the payments. If you see the steps documented here, the insurance company or the insurer bills the agent bills their customers. It could be very highly possible where a particular agent can work with 10 different customers. So every time an insurance company bills the agent for some set of customers, the agent collects the payments from the customers instead of the insurance company working with the customers. Now the insured or the customers pays the amount to the agent. Now the agent subtracts their commission from the overall gross amount and sends the remaining net payment to the insurer. That's like insurance company. Let's take the same example where the gross amount is 1,100 and the commission is 110, which means the net amount is 1,000, which the insurance company owns. Now, as because of the fact this is agency billing, the insurance company bills the entire 1,100 gross amount to the agents. And in turn, agent bills 1,100 to the insured, which is nothing but customers. And the customer pays 1,100 to the agent. And now agent keeps his commission, which is 110, and pays the remaining net amount of 1,000 to the insurer. Now, you may have a valid question, right? What are the pros and cons of agency billing compared to direct billing, right? So if you take pros, like the agent get an opportunity to work with the customers, which means they get more time to retain the payments that the customer makes, and they can invest in some other portfolios to get more interest. And at the same time, because of the fact the broker knows the customers well, they can collect the payments accordingly and then get more business to the insurance company. Now, from insurance company perspective, they are freed up from collecting payments from the customers and they can focus on their claims and the underwriting process in a more streamlined way. When it comes to cons or no disadvantages, as we all know, it's not like an one-to-one mapping where one customer is going to be working with one insurer broker. So typically broker gets payment from multiple customers. So they have to work with the insurance company to make sure that the correct payments are applied to the correct policies. And sometimes what could happen is the broker may have an understanding of the different commission percentage. So they may keep some percentage of commission, which could be like more than what is expected or less than expected. Say for 10 policies, the commission should have been like $5,000. Based on the broker's calculation, it could have been 6,000, but whereas the insurance company thinks it's 5,000. So this kind of discrepancies can come, but it's very important that the agents and the insurance company works closely to address those issues. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.